Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your headphones SOUNDCORE A25i. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. Now click on your headphones and it connected. But if it doesn't, put your headphones to the charging case. Now we should see not connected here, and after that remove your headphones from the charging case and they reconnecting. Cool. But if it also didn't help you, we should remove and add the headphones. So just put your headphones to the charging case. Now click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. Also if you have Android, click pair new device and after that remove your headphones from the charging case. They enter to pairing mode automatically, but if it doesn't, just press and hold both of touch buttons on your headphones for at least 3 seconds. Now click on it at the device list. And we did it. And if all of these methods didn't help you, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, put your headphones to the charging case and then press and hold touch buttons on both of the headphones for at least 8 seconds until this LED light on the headphones start flashing red. Here we go, 3 times, cool. Now remove your headphones from the charging case and click on it at the device list. Forget device. If you have Android, don't forget to click pair new device and then click on it at the device list. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.